3 of 5. 3 of these cheap stocks still fall next month. The model sees it. If you own them, watch. Here are the 5 stocks Wall Street calls undervalued. Berkshire Hathaway at 513.14. Charles Schwab at 105.87. Lumentum at 779.89, up 9.2% today. Edison International at 71.46, down 2.6% today. And Expand Energy at 94.66. Every one of them trades below its analyst price target. Every one has a Kronos 30-day prediction. And here is where it gets interesting. The model does not agree with Wall Street on 3 of them. If you own any of these, you want to see the forecasts. Stock number 1. Berkshire Hathaway. The most famous value stock on the planet, the company Warren Buffett built. Current price, $513.14. It trades at 15.3 times trailing earnings, and the market cap is $1.11 trillion. The average analyst target is 525.33. On paper, this is the safe pick. It sits within 2% of its 52-week high. The consensus says Buffett's cash pile means the stock can only go up. The model says something else. Here is the Kronos 30-day forecast for Berkshire. The blue line is the history. The green dashed line is the prediction. Kronos takes current price 511.54 and calls 477.09. That is a 6.73% drop. The confidence range runs from $474.12 to $514.97. Even the most defensive stock on this list gets a sell signal. Kronos does not care about the brand. It only cares about the chart. And the chart says the run is over. Stock number 2. Charles Schwab. Ticker SCHW. The discount brokerage that manages over $10 trillion in client assets. Current price, $105.87. Revenue grew 21% over the last year, and the forward PE is only 13.6. The dividend yields 1.22%, and analysts see a target of 124.47. This is the classic rate cut winner, the stock everyone says gets a tailwind when the Federal Reserve moves. It is also the most crowded trade in the group, trading near its 52-week high, and it is the stock Kronos is most bearish on. The Kronos forecast for Schwab is the ugliest one on this list. Current price, $105.24. The model predicts $89.18 in 30 days. That is a 15.26% decline, the biggest call in the entire video. The range is $87.98 to $108.32. Kronos sees a brokerage stock that ran up on rate cut hopes and says the hopes are already priced in. No, it was not a dip to buy. It was a top. Stock number 3. Lumentum. Ticker LITE. This is the AI infrastructure play, the company making the optical lasers and photonics that move data inside AI data centers. Current price, $779.89, up 9.2% today. Revenue grew 90.1% last year, one of the fastest growth rates in tech. The forward PE is 42.5. The average analyst target is 1,104.89. Lumentum is the most expensive name on this list, and the one with the most genuine AI revenue. It is also the stock the model likes the most. The Kronos forecast for Lumentum is the bull case. The model built this on the last close of 713.94 before the stock jumped 9% today. Kronos calls $819.10, a 14.73% gain from that anchor. The range runs from $681.02 to $857.14. This is the AI name with actual revenue and a chart that still has room. Kronos says the AI trade is not dead. It just moved down the stack from chips to optics. The model found the one bargain the market has not caught yet. Stock number 4. Edison International. Ticker EIX. The California utility quietly becoming an AI power play because every data center needs electricity. Current price, $73.37. It trades at 7.4 times trailing earnings, the cheapest multiple on this list. The dividend yield is 4.78%, and the analyst target is 76.75. This is the income pick the stock retirees hold. Wall Street loves the yield. The model looks at the chart and sees a utility that already ran. Kronos on Edison. Current price, $73.37. The model predicts $68.65, a 6.43% decline. The range is $67.53 to $76.98. For a stock paying 4.78%, a 6% drawdown wipes out more than a year of dividends in a month. This is not a dividend. This is a yield trap with a calendar. Stock number 5. Expand Energy. Ticker EXE. The natural gas producer that powers the grid feeding AI data centers, formed from the merger of Chesapeake and Southwestern. Current price, $94.03. It trades at 8.2 times earnings, with a dividend yield of 2.45%. The analyst target is 124.16, over 30% above the current price. Natural gas is the swing fuel for the AI build-out, and this is one of the cheapest ways to own it. The model sees a modest upside, not a blowout, but a real one. Kronos on Expand Energy. Current price, $94.03. The model calls $100.31, a 6.68% gain. The range is $90.63 to $102.06. It is a small move, but it is the right direction. In a list where 3 names get sell signals, the model says the gas producer is the quiet winner. Not every trade has to be exciting to be right. Here is the complete forecast. Berkshire Hathaway, $477, down 6.7%. Schwab, $89, down 15.3%. Lumentum, $819, up 14.7%. Edison, $68, down 6.4%. Expand Energy, $100, up 6.7%. 3 out of 5 are bearish. 2 are bullish. And the pattern is the story. The model is bullish on the names with real AI revenue, and bearish on the crowded value trades everyone is hiding in. Cheap does not mean safe. The chart is the only opinion that matters. Here is the playbook. 3 bearish calls, 2 bullish. That is 60% of this list pointing down, 40% pointing up. The strongest signal is Schwab, down 15.3%, the most crowded trade on the list. The second strongest is Lumentum, up 14.7%, the only name with genuine AI revenue growth. The model is telling you to rotate out of the defensive value trades and into the names actually selling into the AI build-out. If you hold Edison for the dividend, the 6.4% drop eats more than a year of yield. If you hold Schwab for the rate cut, the trade is already priced. Even Berkshire, down 6.7%, is not immune. Position sizes accordingly. The data is the data. Do you trust the model over the crowd on these 5? Drop your take in the comments, and tell me which stock to run through Kronos next. Subscribe to watch these calls play out over the next 30 days. Timestamps for every section are in the description. Stay informed, stay disciplined, and remember, this is not financial advice. Do your own research. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial advice. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Always do your own research and consult a qualified financial advisor before making investment decisions.